Hi guys, Sandra here from Create in Spain with a fun ice cream bucket card today. Now I've got my shape, which is the whole of the card, just with a little join there to fold it up. And so I'm just going to be working on the front of this, and I've got my pieces cut out. This has got an offset for my pieces, and I've cut my tub out of this stripy paper. I just thought it was quite a ice creamy looking sort of cartonish, so that's what I chose it for. So I'm just going to put this on. It's a nice easy piecing card, this. Now I allowed a 2mm offset on here, so I know roughly where I've got to put this. You can see I have here the top of my ice cream, and it's cut out of a boring flat pink piece of paper. It's actually construction paper, I think. So I want to add some extra texture to it, some more colour, and the easiest way of doing this is to cut up one of these, or at least to cut one of these out, not cut it up. Now this is actually part of the file for the cupcake, and it's not the same shape as this, not quite, it's altered, but it'll do the job that I want it to do. So if I just put this against here, I can then put some colour into these pieces here with a little brush. I could have even gone for a smaller brush. This just helps give it a little bit of tone rather than being just one straightforward flat colour. So that one goes there, again 2mm offset, pretty much. And then in the middle I've got the band of the tub, which I decided to do in a gold for no particular reason, just that I had a scrap of this stuff and I thought, why not? Every now and again I really do need to try and do that, because you get so much in the way of odd scraps and it's stupid just to have them wasted. Just add a bit more ink at the edges to darken the edges off. To finish off my card, I put the sentiment on. I coloured it in red and just hand wrote "Celebrate" on it. You can use a stamped sentiment if that's what you prefer to do. And I put some chunky glitter on the top of the cupcake and some of these individual and strings of little pearl beads in multicolours. And then I added what looks like a jelly top on the top of it. If you're in the States, do you get jelly tops, or are they called something else over there? I don't know. A lot of my viewers are in the States, so let me know. I love jelly tots. They're supposed to be for toddlers. I'm obviously just a big toddler. So that's the finished card. I think that looks quite nice, quite festive. And of course, if you want to put anything on the inside, you can do. I have also done a 50% version, half size basically. And this one is actually the cupcake design, so it has this sort of wiggly icing sort of piping on it. And I've also given you a couple of alternatives for the cupcake wrapper or the tub, whichever you like to think of it as. And this one has a slightly different base on it, but other than that, very similar. But I've given you the files for both types and you can size them as you wish. The files are in SVG and FCM format, so you can download whichever you wish to use. And you can obviously vary it with colour and papers and cards and glittery bits and gems. You can have a whale of a time with this. It'll be quite good fun, and it's not a hard card to make and it's pretty quick to do. So that's it. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.